Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change language in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings, then go to system, then go to languages and input, and here click on languages and click on add a language. Here select the language that you want to add. Here I would like to add Tamil. Yes, it is added, but it is set below English as it is in the list but not activated. If you want to activate Tamil, you go to move the Tamil to the top one. Okay, now Tamil is activated. See it in the preview. Okay, it is activated. Okay, again I activate English. Okay, English is activated. If you want to add more language, click on add a language again and select any other language of your choice. Here I select this language. Okay, if you want to activate this language, you go to move this language to the first position and it will be activated. Okay, see here it is activated. Okay, again I activate English. Okay, if you want to remove the language that you have added, suppose later if you rethink that you should remove some languages, yes, you can do it. So to remove, what you have to do is just click on this three vertical dots, click on remove and select the language or languages to be removed. Here I would like to remove the both languages, that is Tamil and this language, and click on delete and click on remove and they will be removed. You can also add the removed language later. Okay, again use add a language and select the language of your choice to be added in the list. So in this way you can easily add many languages here and you can apply the particular language whenever you need. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.